The HOVSCO HovGtrs Evo is designed for long, unhurried journeys, a bike built for comfort, stability, and calm. This review explores how the Evo behaves across varied terrain, how its features shape the riding experience, and how it supports riders across extended outings. Stick around until the end for a full breakdown of pros and cons. With a relaxed moped-style frame and large 20 by 4 inch tires, the Evo encourages a gentle, exploratory mindset. It settles naturally into a rhythm built around smooth acceleration, steady cruising, and a planted, confident feel beneath the rider. The riding posture, with its upright seating and swept-back handlebars, reduces tension and supports long, scenic journeys. This is a bike meant for wandering, a bike that prioritizes ease over urgency. When the ride begins, the Evo creates a sense of quiet momentum. The hum of the motor fades into the background, and the wide tires soften the road's texture. Riders often describe machines like this as creating a floating sensation, as if the bike smooths the edges off the terrain and replaces them with gentle, wave-like motion. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed. Unboxing the bike is straightforward, and all necessary tools for assembly are included. First, I remove the packaging straps and open the box by carefully removing the tape and pulling the box free of the staples. Then I laid the box down. I slid the e-bike out carefully. Stand the e-bike up and remove all zip ties and protective foam, revealing the sleek design of the HOVSCO HovGtrs Evo e-bike. Install the handlebars by loosening the bolts on the bike stem, centering the handlebars and rotating them to align with your preferred riding position before tightening the bolts securely. For the front wheel, loosen the bolts on the protective bar on the front fork. Add the front wheel and tighten the bolts to ensure it is secure. The pedals are clearly marked for the left and right sides, matching the pedal stems. Screw in the pedals and use a wrench to further tighten them easily. Install the front headlamp by loosening the bolts on the fork brace, attaching the headlamp, and then adjusting its orientation to face forward. Alright, let's take this thing for a ride. There is a calmness in how the Evo moves. It doesn't demand attention, it simply cooperates. Over the course of a long outing, the feeling becomes more pronounced. The bike becomes a companion, settling into the rider's space, responding predictably, and encouraging a relaxed headspace. The 750-watt sustained motor with its peak of up to 1500 watts delivers predictable strength. On extended inclines, the Evo doesn't rush. It simply maintains steady torque, allowing the ascent to unfold gradually without sudden changes in speed. When the terrain rises for long stretches, the motor continues its steady push, keeping the ride composed. During rolling hills, the bike transitions between power levels with a smooth gliding feel. The experience becomes less about conquering terrain and more about drifting through it. With an ideal condition range of up to 65 miles, the Evo supports long, immersive rides. In real conditions, riders may travel through varied surfaces, changing elevations and different wind patterns, all of which shape the practical mileage. Yet the overall experience remains consistent, a battery system that comfortably supports a slow, thoughtful day of riding. During long stretches, the subtle change in battery percentage creates a natural pacing rhythm, encouraging riders to enjoy the journey rather than rush to the destination. When the surroundings open up, the Evo settles into a gentle cruise. Long straightaways create a sense of calm continuity. Rolling terrain adds slow rhythmic swells. Soft breezes across open areas highlight the effortless forward motion. On winding paths, the bike's wide tires hold a steady, predictable line, making each curve feel smooth rather than sharp or hurried. The Evo doesn't feel like a machine pushing forward. It feels like a platform gliding across changing surfaces. This is where moped-style e-bikes shine, in their ability to transform distance into a comfortable, flowing experience. Fat tires fundamentally change the ride's character. Their wider footprint distributes the bike's weight, creating a cushioned, grounded sensation that reduces vibration and softens feedback. On rougher patches, these tires turn sharp chatter into gentle texture. On loose surfaces, the larger contact area maintains predictable grip, keeping the bike stable, even when the ground shifts beneath it. Through long sweeping arcs, the tires anchor the bike to the terrain, offering a sense of trust that encourages relaxed pacing. Many riders describe the feeling as floating over imperfections rather than landing on each one. The combination of a front suspension fork and rear shock adds another level of comfort. Instead of reacting harshly to dips or cracks, the bike absorbs them with a muted, controlled response. Over long rides, this reduction in physical impact plays a major role in reducing fatigue. The body settles into a rhythm, the hands remain relaxed, the shoulders stay loose. The ride becomes not just a way to travel, but a way to unwind. Hydraulic disc brakes contribute to a sense of safety and control. When gentle braking is needed, the levers respond smoothly, allowing speed to be adjusted with finesse. When more force is required, the system delivers strong, predictable stopping power without sudden bite. This level of braking performance supports confidence during descents and helps maintain smooth pacing through transitions in terrain. At around 80 pounds, the Evo's weight becomes part of its personality. The mass contributes to the grounded feel, especially during steady cruising. On straight segments, the extra weight helps create a sense of stability. The bike stays planted and resists small bumps during slow, tight turns. The weight becomes more noticeable, requiring gradual, intentional movement. The bike rewards smooth inputs, leaning into its comfort first nature. One of the Evo's most defining traits is how it feels during long, uninterrupted cruising. At mid-level speeds, the bike glides in a quiet, controlled rhythm. The hum of the motor and the soft roll of the fat tires blend into a soothing background texture. Riders can settle into the upright posture and feel the scenery unfold gradually, not rushed, not forced, but gently presented over time. This quality makes the Evo ideal for riders who want a more meditative riding experience. As time passes on the bike, the relaxed geometry becomes increasingly valuable. The shoulders remain open, the spine stays neutral, the seated position distributes weight evenly, reducing tension in the lower back and wrist. This promotes a sense of ease. Even during multi-hour outings, the Evo isn't just capable of long distances, it feels built for them. The 450-pound payload capacity expands the bike's versatility. Carrying bags, gear, or extra essentials doesn't disrupt the ride's balance. The frame handles the added weight without wobble or instability. Even with cargo or a second rider, the wide tires and strong motor maintain composure and predictability. This transforms the Evo from a relaxation machine into a useful mobility tool, capable of supporting daily needs. As the terrain varies, the Evo adapts without urgency. Small rises feel smooth and steady, rough patches feel dampened, gentle declines allow for controlled coasting. The motor responds consistently to change in pedal pressure, keeping power output smooth and intuitive. This adaptability helps riders stay relaxed even when the ground beneath them shifts. During a full day of riding, the Evo becomes a steady companion. Early portions of the journey highlight the smooth acceleration. Midway through, the comfort of the geometry and the stability of the tires take over as the defining experience. Later sections of the ride showcase how little effort is needed to maintain calm forward motion. By the end of the outing, the Evo's identity is clear: a bike built to support long, unrushed journeys where the enjoyment comes from the ride itself, not from the speed or the challenge. Okay, as far as my overall summary, the HOVGtrs Evo blends comfort, stability, and ease of use into a single, approachable ride. Its strengths become even more noticeable over long distances: steady power, smooth handling, predictable braking, and a riding posture that encourages relaxation. This makes the Evo a compelling choice for riders who favor calm exploration over intense performance. Okay, let me get into the pros and cons, starting with the pros. Okay, first pro, the Evo delivers balanced, steady power, reaching up to 1500 watts at peak, giving it the strength to handle changing terrain with calm confidence. Second pro, the ride feels smooth and controlled thanks to the wide fat tires that absorb road texture and help the bike stay settled beneath the rider. Third pro, the hydraulic disc brakes offer dependable stopping power, engaging smoothly and allowing precise control during speed changes and descents. And the fourth pro, the suspension system softens rough surfaces, creating a forgiving and comfortable ride that reduces fatigue over long distances. 5th Pro, the bike offers a long potential range up to 65 miles in ideal conditions, supporting full-day outings without worry. Okay, let's talk about the cons. Range does drop noticeably when riding steep or extended climbs, or when using higher pedal assist levels. The second con, the bike's heavier frame reduces maneuverability in tight spaces and requires more effort when moving the bike by hand. And the final con, the suspension is functional but not premium, allowing some feedback to pass through on harsher terrain. Okay, that wraps up the pros and cons. The HOVSCO HOVGtrs Evo is a comfortable, capable, and steady electric bike designed for long, relaxed journeys across varied terrain. Its stability, smooth power delivery, and calm riding nature make it a rewarding choice for exploration-focused riders. The HOVSCO HOVGtrs Evo combines a 750-watt motor with 1500 watts of peak power, a 65-mile ideal condition range, hydraulic disc brakes, dual suspension, and 20 by 4-inch fat tires into a comfortable Moped-Style platform built for long, steady rides.